today I'm going to talk you through how to remove your gel nails from home. This is for anyone who has not been tempted to peel them off and for anyone who got gel bottle. So what you're going to need is your acetone, which you can buy from Boots, but just make sure it is actually the acetone remover and not the non-acetone. You're also going to need a file. Just make sure it's kind of a rough, gritted kind of emery board just to help you break through that top coat. You're also going to need an orange wood stick or a cuticle pusher, and that's just going to help you to remove the actual polish. You'll need some cotton wool. I've got some cotton wool pads and just cut them in half. And you're going to need some tin foil just cut into squares as well. So let's get started. Now for anyone that got shellac, just miss this step out. This one is only for gel bottle. What you want to do is just break down the top coat. So just remove the shine. Just like that. Now if you're doing this on yourself, you will need to do one hand at a time, as it is very, very fiddly. I've luckily enough had my mum volunteer for me. So you're just going to continue to do that on all fingers. So do just make sure that you have all the top coat off, and that will just help remove it quicker. Like so. Now as I mentioned before, if you have shellac on, you do not need to buff over the top coat. You can just go ahead and do this next step. So you will want to grab your acetone, apply a little bit, pop it onto the nail. I kind of wrap the cotton pad around. And then you just want to wrap the tin foil around the nail and just press it down tightly so that it's nice and secure. And again, you're just going to do that on the rest of the hand. And when you have wrapped your hand, you want to leave that, if you have shellac on, you want to leave that on for about 5 minutes just to soak through. If you have gel bottle on, then you will need to leave it for up to 20 minutes. So these have been on my mum's fingers for at least 20 minutes now. So what I'm going to do is just take them off one by one. And then all you want to do is get your orange wood stick or your cuticle pusher. And we're just going to scrape gently down the nail just to get that all off. Just like that. And there you have it. So there you have it. That is how you can safely remove your gel nails from home. Feel free to apply some CND solar oil on the nails just to keep them nice and hydrated. And we hope to see you again in the salon as soon as possible.